Welcome to IIAD Academy's YouTube channel. Today we'll learn how to create custom patterns that you can use for brand packaging, wallpapers, or digital designs. For more design-related content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to see any particular tutorials, share your requests in the comment section below. Patterns are a great way to add unique visual elements to your design. You can create them with a few easy-to-follow steps. So let's get started. Step 1. Create the design you want to turn into a pattern. It could be a simple shape, illustration, or text. Today I'm using a design that I previously created on a 500 pixels by 500 pixels canvas. If you'd like to know how I created this design, leave a comment below. Once your pattern tile is ready, go to Edit, click Define Pattern. A pop-up dialog box will appear. Give your pattern a name and click OK. Your pattern is now saved in the Patterns library of Adobe Photoshop. And now, step 2. To apply your new pattern, create a new document. Click on the adjustment layer icon given at the bottom of the layers panel and select Pattern from the menu. Select your newly created pattern from the drop-down menu. You will find it at the end of the list. Click on it to apply. Adjust by scaling in or out. I'm choosing 35% for my design. You can also rotate your pattern if needed. Here I'm going with 45 degrees. Rotating the pattern creates a more visually interesting layout. Click OK to apply. We can always make further adjustments by double-clicking on the thumbnail of the pattern fill layer and changing the values. I'm bringing down the scale to 25% now. And that's how you create a pattern in Photoshop. You can use these custom patterns to elevate your design game. Try experimenting with different shapes and colors to make your own fun, unique patterns. If you enjoyed learning this tutorial, watch this space for more on the topic and many more quick and super easy techniques of Adobe Photoshop. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to IIAD Academy's YouTube channel for more design-related content. See you soon. Happy designing!